so many people who are not trying to connect, and I'm trying to connect, and that's where it's draining, because when you're trying to connect with someone and they're not receptive to that energy, you just feel like shit afterwards. You feel like you're putting your heart out on your sleeve, nobody likes you, and like there's something wrong with you or something. There's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with me. They don't want to connect. Move on. Different venue, different party. Burn it out. Talk to everyone, and then you'll find one girl out of the entire 15. You'll find one girl who wants to connect. Then it's worth it if you just focus on that one win.
It's a good experience, man. And people were defensive here. It's like, fuck your
super gay, by the way.
Yeah, it's so
gay as fuck.
So gay,
I don't even want to connect with half the people here.
Off,
like, come on. You don't want to connect with me? Really? Oh, you're in Bali?
You know what?
You're lame.
Bro, that's the thing. That's the thing that makes me realize, like, that's why it's good to just move on quickly, because if they don't want to connect, they're not our people anyway.
I agree. The number one thing that I disagree with in the pickup community, I want to get to the point where I can win over any girl. I'm like, I want to get to the point where I can move on faster than you, where I'm just like, no, they're just not meant to connect. Like, you're not supposed to connect with everyone. Hey, what's up?
You were just there, right? Hey.
I was just there.
Hey, what's up? This guy knows exactly what he's talking about. Take it from a girl.
Thank you so much. You're looking fresh today, brother.
Always.
It's a Bali vibe.
Always.
It's a Bali thing.
You gotta stay fresh in Bali, because you don't know what can happen.
True.
Listen,
well, not from Qatar. No, just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, lady. Just 2 minutes. I'm trying to help my friend.
The man right here. It's the man. It's the motherfucking man. Shit it. What's your favorite thing about living in Bali?
Getting laid and paid.
Hey. He keeps it real.
Just do the warm up. Just get talking to people. Get social. Fuck the results. Like, it is what it is, man. Like,
out here live in the motherfucking cut. Son of a motherfucking gun. Shame. What's one piece of advice you would give to someone who works too much and needs to socialize more?
I would say it sounds crazy, but I didn't realize I love what I do so much, but I didn't realize it's a part of me. It's like I work. If I make money, then it's like giving myself permission to, for example, say hello to the hot girl. And I realizing like me just saying hello. So if you feel like you're working a lot, just go say hello to a stranger. It doesn't have to even like be a hot girl, but like I didn't realize I just love socializing. So I just say hello, and you never know what will happen.
This is actually something I realized about Bali. Bali is not the best place to meet women. It is very overrated for approaching in game. There are some baddies, but the number of competitions is insane. But you know what I'm actually feeling very fulfilled by in this venue? It's meeting all the cool guys. Like, there's actually so many cool guys. I met other dating coaches. I met people doing really good in business. And if you want to learn how to make money online and you want to network with really cool people, come to Bali. It's the best place in the world for it, hands down. Well, I can't find it, but there was a really fluffy chicken in there. He's a pretty interesting one. They're also selling chicken sandwiches here, so if you want to eat one of them, you just order it there. Yeah, so it's very, very like close to nature, you know? Like
literally like provoking the chicken.
What does your dream man look like, anyways?
My dream man is like personality-wise or looks-wise?
Personality.
Okay.
Personality.
Okay, personality-wise, it's like a man who is very at peace with himself. He's like very emotionally intelligent. He is kind of the man who's like a little bit of a nerd, but he doesn't know how good looking he actually is. He doesn't use like, social media that much. He's like very calm, chill, private, but he doesn't know how good he's
I want the female version of this person. That sounds great. I love that.
I know, right?
Yeah. Você terminaria com ele? Damn it, fuck, it didn't work. I don't speak Portuguese. Listen here. You're gonna have to learn how to turn the switch on and leave it on. That's right. And turn your AC off. What you mean, Ain't no Fucking eventually, this is gonna be hardcore shit. We don't have to go crazy, but let's go crazy. This place I'm going to is one of the busiest venues in Canggu. Most busy I've seen it since I've been in Bali. Open, right, open, right behind you, to the right. I just told him to escalate. He's in a really good set right now. I don't want to make it awkward by pointing the camera at him for Where are you from? You're Netherlands. You're Dutch. A Dutchie. What's your favorite country in Europe? Besides Netherlands?
I'm in Spain.
Spain. Why? Spanish men. Yeah, it's not a bad answer. Not a bad answer. My favorite country is Budapest, Hungary.
Why?
Because of the women. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. I want to find my wife.
So you don't have a wife yet?
I don't. I'm single. You look like you could be Hungarian. Just saying. Just saying. No, I'm not flirting, I promise. I'm super not flirting. I'm in a little bit of momentum now. I did about 5 to 10 approaches. my friend here. Are you also from Montreal?
No.
Where are you from?
Poland.
Oh shit, she's from Poland. That's where I'm moving to Budapest. That's literally right next to Poland.
They are both in Europe.
Yeah, that's right. And each one of the little names is another state of the country Europe. It's all part of the NATO. It's all, no, I'm just kidding. I'm messing. I do have feedback to give you though.
Yeah.
You gotta be more positive, man. Like you're not even taking your wins too seriously.
No.
Like you got a fucking win there, but I don't feel like you lifts your mood up. But I feel like the negative, you focus on that more. So your RAS is more attuned to the negative. Whereas like you have had a lot of great interactions. I saw you when you were with those 3 girls. You were I even have a shot of it.
That was good.
You were storytelling. Yeah, we know them, but I know them, but it lifted my mood.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta take the wins. You gotta really feel that good energy, which is hard, bro. We all have negative nights. Like I've had way too many negative nights to count, but it's now my job to fight through it and battle through it. So
I'm probably being negative, but I was counting it. Like I'm self-aware, so I'm like another kind of reject. Like I start talking, they'll be like, okay, all right, anyway, like, and it's like, all right, let me go to the next one, then after like a certain amount, and then it's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah,
It's fucking hard. That downward cycle sucks fucking dick. Yeah, the minute you start counting your interactions and seeing things going bad and like letting it get to you, it's fucking hard to get out. This shit's tough. You gotta be fucking strong mentally to be like, how do I get out of this? Or at the very least, burn it to the ground and not give a fuck and just keep on sticking with it, even though it's hard. I'm so familiar with that feeling of like that downward cycle. It sucks ass. It fucking sucks.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Well, that's my goal anyway today. Like the tool that I want to sharpen today is just feeling like this and carrying on till the end.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And carrying on with a fucking smile. Every approach is 1,000 out of 10. I'm fucking amazing either way, and I'm amazing for trying, and I'm happy that I even tried. It's this guy's birthday. Happy birthday. 28. Yeah. Old enough to be smart, young enough to have fun. Tell them I'm Italian, please. You know this. I'm Italian.
Hi, my name is Nico, and I'm from the U.S.
Ciao, mi chiamo Nico. Estados Unidos. Every guy in Australia is a fuckboy.
I know, I hate the Australian men, I hate them. But I love the Englishmen.
What? Hey, Sean, what's your name?
Haley.
Haley, Sean, Haley. Are you an Australian or an English one? I can't tell.
I'm from UK.
You guys are going in there? It sucks in there. It's terrible. You know what's better than the club? Oh, watch out for the car behind you.
Sorry, I didn't mean like that.
Will we get in the club?
No, you're too bad.
Okay, we will.
They're gonna kick you out. They're like, nope, baddie alert, too high. Gotta go back.
Party alert.
Baddie alert. I think today was your hardest day, correct?
Yes.
But you broke through out of your head in the end. You know what's so funny? This is a gem that I want to leave you with. Memory is state access dependent.
Yeah.
So when I was kind of out of momentum here, I completely forget how cool I am.
Yeah.
I forget all the cool moments I've been in momentum. I even forget that I was in momentum 4 hours ago. This is why it's so important to debrief.
Yeah.
I actually did really good during the Bali party. I almost made out with a girl. It was like really nice.
And they're all hot as well.
And they're all
Fun.
fucking bad.
Yeah,
And I was like, that was a lot of fun. I was getting new epiphanies. Then I get here, I started to struggle a little bit. And then because of that, I can't remember that I was literally doing okay today. So your brain will forget all of the good memories when you feel bad. And when you feel good, you feel good. When you're in a bad mood or when you're struggling, you have to remember those great nights you just had. Like, no, I've got something in me that can tap in momentum. I just need to unlock it somehow. Maybe I won't even access that tonight, but I'm gonna finish my challenge or I'll finish my reps or whatever.
You have to figure out ways to get out of it, basically. Yeah. And then when I was driving the bike, I was thinking about it, and I was like, yeah, it is possible. Like, there's got to be a way to just kind of, it's in our control. So then I was just thinking about like trying to think of all the wins that we've had previously, and also thinking about like the good potential outcomes. And then I feel like that kind of just started brainwashing me a little bit. And then by the time we got to Giselle, I started talking to the guys.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, right, I'm starting to feel good now. But
nice.
yeah, like, I did you capture it earlier, the way I was feeling? You did, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah, I was feeling shit, man.
Yeah.
Like,
but you broke out of it just now, like this whole session, you were just flowing.
Yeah, I was vibing, yeah. We were having fun,
It was fun.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
that
was
was
fun,
sick.
man.
That was sick, bro. Well, I'm glad I got to spend your last Saturday
journey,
here,
man. I can't
What
believe
a
we did
fucking
it.
journey, bro.
Fucking another boot camp.
You know what? Out of everything, I just had fun being with you, just cracking jokes, like when we were fucking rapping and shit to them girls and shit, like just talking shit. I'm from Pakistan, like whatever, like.
Oh, did I not get that us rapping on camera? I didn't.
Did you?
I don't remember. I should have. What the fuck? All those some notes I forget because we're in it.
Yeah.
That would have been funny. At the end, we crushed it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned a lot of lessons. If you want coaching, let me know. Send me a DM. I got you, brother. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love, motherfucker.